9.5, 9.5. Good to hear the birds getting into kind of nesting, mating mode.
When June and I were up doing hill last week, there was two woodpeckers, one on the left side and one on the right. They were signaling to each other.
Oh, yeah.
I didn't realise it was going to be
Joan, Moira and walked to the Heron in Scriven and then the way back. It was pouring rain and strolling about. And I kind of thought about it when I got into the house. I thought, it must have looked different. But someone had peeked at us and it turned out it was a friend of Benny's.
Remember this bit?
Yes.
So how we paddle? Get the shoes and socks off. Wonder how full that gets when the tide is in. I bet it's right up to the edges there to the grass.
Really quite nice.
Yeah, beautiful. You can imagine people maybe having a caravan here and just you're out there every day, having a wee walk with the dog.
Yeah.
For some folk that's going to be the perfect lifestyle.
Nicely fair.
Plus you could do a wee walk and get the bus back to the caravan site. Yeah, I was thinking if the tide had been in, we might have had to go into the caravan site, but there's plenty here.
Yeah, it's okay.
I don't think it would very often come over this.
Out there with those.
Oh,
Are they pushing something? No, it's a dog.
that's a dog, a metal detector.
I thought they had a metal detector.
It's maybe trained to detect metal though. Yes, it could still be. Should have brought our buckets and spades. Right. And then we're just up there, yeah.
We're up this bit.
We're up this bit and then that's us home and dry.
Clubhouse up here.
Toilets are locked.
Are they?
Good looking toilets too.
Must need a key to get in them.
Yeah, they're locked till April.
Are they?
Yeah, phoned up the council to see. I thought saying,
Is it a council caravan site?
no, but the toilets are council and the
Oh, right.
pull in. They look good, yeah.
Aye.
The windows are slightly open as well, keep them nice and fresh.
Pick the lock.
That's it there.
Right.
Do I see a coach?
It looks like.
Oh,
no,
no.
it's not.
That's not a coach, is it? No, it's a wee thing.
It's a minibus.
Just put up by the toilets.
Well done, Kerry.
Bad.
Better wait to see if I got
I know, I'm going to say, wait until you
see.
see. You see we've got transport.
You'll tell me about the other 5 miles we do.
That must be, that's the cafe there, so it's just on a bit. You can go up towards the cafe and then cut down. That gets you into the, whoops. 9.5, 9.5. Yay, we've got a bus. Is that our bus?
Thank you.
Thank you very much. Made it.
Thank you very much, thank you.
You're welcome.
That's great, thanks very much.
Phew! Nobody fell
Your
off.
sins are forgiven.
Nobody fell off a cliff.
No.
That was a good shout as well.
Yeah, it's good rather than go back into the sun.
Yes,
Yeah.
aye.